Here we go, guys. One of our newest tools. It's actually a retro. We had this tool many years ago. Took it off the shelf. Now that we're doing a lot of the no dig now, it's become pretty important. So we brought it back. There's a lot going on here. This tool is made to drive posts consistently, space-wise, controlling the space between posts. Little to no stress at all. It's adjustable. We have a whole chart here to tell you about the adjustability of it, but basically it's going to give you your gate openings, whatever they need to be. So your gate openings are exact, and your spacing between posts when you need a consistent spacing. Not what we're looking for with the equalizer was the spacing changes per run. This is made for your longer runs and decide what your space is going to be and just make them all exactly the same. The way that's going to work, you slide over one post you've already drove, and if it's a gate opening, something similar to what I have right now, you'll put your next post through there and plumb that and drive it. The nice thing is, if this post is already plumbed this direction, then by default, this one, as it goes through that collar, is already pretty well plumbed that direction. It's going to save a lot of time figuring out exactly where to get started. This is done. It does rotate, swivel. So on grades, you notice that the post distance is still going to be the same. This one's vertically plumbed, and so that can be as well. You follow the contour of the grade. So the ends are made to swivel, but they don't swivel this direction here. Not very much. To be very consistent. As you drive that one post to the ground, you're just going to spin it over. If you're doing like full sections, or just leapfrog this. So you got these two posts this side. You just pull this up off the post you just drove, spin it around, and continue driving, right? And just continue all the way around. It does the spacing chart here will help you pull that out. So you don't have to use a tape measure. You can pull these out, and it literally tells you what the spacing is going to be. If it's for gate spacing, or like a vinyl section, fence, King Plus, which goes all the way up to 10-foot double drive gates. It'll be in English on one side and Spanish on the other side. So English right on one side, Spanish on the other. So all you gotta do is match up the colors and read. It's pretty easy. Lock down those locks and you're good to go. That is the no dig sure set.